Easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to own. The highly fuel-efficient and productive liugong 856H is packed with benefits. Here's the top 10. We put the operator first, with a spacious and pressurized ROPS cabin offering excellent visibility, a fully adjustable seat, and multifunctional joystick. Fast, stable, and comfortable. Our ride control system significantly improves material retention and productivity. The ZF Power Shift transmission, combined with the limited slip differential axles, increase traction and maximize loading performance. The Z-Bar loader design delivers higher breakout force and material penetration. 10% higher dump height is achieved by the optimized center of gravity. From large capacity buckets to our quick coupler, our attachments save time and get more done. Intelligent load sensing hydraulics gives you the power you need when you need it, saving fuel and increasing productivity. With liugong's tough structures, Rexroth hydraulics, Cummins engine, and ZF powertrain, the 856H is built on world-class components. Wide-opening, electrically operated engine hood gives easy access for daily maintenance. A smart, reversible fan maintains the optimum temperature whilst removing dirt and improving uptime performance. Powered by a cleaner, more fuel-efficient engine, the 856H delivers high productivity performance and legislation compliance. In this short video, we've only focused on 10 great ways in which the 856H helps you do more and earn more. For the whole story, visit our website.